So this is late July, and this is the first shirt I'm working on, other than the Life's a Beach shirts, since mid-April or so. So hopefully this turns out, because this is a different idea, and I haven't tried it. Alright, as always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out, since this is being ice-dyed, and I have a few other things for this. I've got a piece of cardboard that has the center cut out. I don't know how big that is, 4 inches, 5 inches, something like that. Is it 4 1/4 inches? And then just a box for the cardboard to sit on top of, and a marble. Alright, so what I'm going to start with, the center part I'm going to leave blank. It's a little low. Let's try that again, just up a little higher. Go roughly like that. And do it on top of this. Drop that there. That. We're going to pull this in. Somebody's going to watch this and go, oh yeah, you can just buy this at the dollar store, it has a hole in it and everything. It's yeah, patiently wait for that. Alright, let's scrunch this up. I have to do it like this. Make a cardboard ring to go around this to be able to hold the ice in, and I'll be right back with it. So that's what it looks like. Make sure that's not hitting the cardboard on any of the sides. I think we're good to go. I'm just going to apply ice, probably not going past, oh, let's draw an imaginary line that's not imaginary. Right about there, so we won't do any ice past that line, and then we'll do the dye and let it melt. It's about 80 degrees here in the garage. I think I'm going to do this one in the garage because of the chance of this making a huge mess. So, off to dye. Alright, let's go ahead and lay the ice down, and I'll go over the colors I'm going with. Okay, let's go over the colors. Cerulean blue, lilac, deep purple, fuchsia red, black cherry, and deep space. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. I think I'm just going to lay it out in a ring, maybe a bit of overlay, and try to not get any down in there. We'll see how this goes. The goal is to spill nothing, so just ignore this, because I'm doing this in an area where I never put dye to prevent it from contaminating any undyed things. I'm going to regret this. Alright, let's let this sit and melt. Like I said, it's out here. It's about 82 degrees out here. Let that melt through, and we'll see what it looks like. I doubt I will do a second pass, but we'll see. Alright, so this is what we have. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it down in there. So let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, I'll throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. Here's the front, here's the bottom. It's not showing up. And the back. Alright, those that have watched me more than a few times know what I'm about to say. This white. I don't like that part. This one's okay. That's tolerable. These are okay. I watched it the whole time while it was sitting there going, I need to throw just a tiny bit more dye on there just so that I'm happy with the results, and I didn't. Alrighty. So it came out how I expected. So I guess it worked. What else can I say? The color choice I'm pretty cool with. I don't know, my brain keeps thinking ice cream, but it's more based on what I can see on the monitor than what I actually see in person. What you see should be closer to what it is in person. At least it is when I'm doing the edits. That monitor I use is off with the colors. It really does look like some ice cream, like melting kind of swirl thing or something on the monitor. I have two more of the same type of thing, not this specifically, but where it's a vertical melt, or pretty close to a vertical melt. So I guess we're doing that as a series for a bit. Then I have some other things that are currently about to be tied up. So let me know what you think about this, if there's something else you'd like me to try in this general idea. I guess that's it. Until next time, thanks for watching.